All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol AMZN. That's Amazon. I made a note earlier today on this one. Let me pull this up and see what I said about Amazon. Right here. Where's that? Okay, the top one. AMZN ready to rally question mark, currently holding the 30-day simple moving average. I said this before the market opened. So where are we now? And guess what? We're not. We are not holding the 30-day simple moving average no more. Get through here. There we go. Okay. So we're not currently holding it again. All right. I mean, before today, I said, okay, everything's really looking good. It got above that 30-day simple moving average, looking through the past. And when it gets above it, it runs. Okay. It has a nice rally. But today, not. And it's down 1.12% right now. Currently not holding it. It's holding the 20-day simple moving average. So right now, I would like to see the 20-day simple moving average hold, which is that burgundy line. You're at a support line right now. It's currently trading at 59.94. And we're going to base this one off of the 20-day simple moving average. So where you're at here, we need to wait and see. So if you're looking to get into Amazon right now, it's $759 a share. It's kind of high. I would, as far as share prices. Okay, so I mean, maybe not everybody has $759 a share, but if you're watching this, you might have that. So right now, I mean, if you're looking for that trade, let's see where this 20-day simple moving average holds, because I think that's gonna dictate again which way this is gonna go, either up or down, depending on if that holds. If that holds, it can definitely continue to rally. If it doesn't, you're gonna have a little bit of a pullback. But we see that it's perfectly normal, perfectly healthy for this. Zooming back here, long term, hey, it's there. I mean, so you've got looking back to this thing, Amazon. I mean, it's up there. So right where you're at right now, if you're looking to day trade, short-term trade, keep an eye on it. Wait for this 20-day to hold. Right now, it's still holding right now. 20-day simple moving average is sitting at 760.27. So it's slightly below it, but we still got plenty of time to go before we close. So that's stock ticker symbol AMZN. Make sure you go over to investorshangout.com/live. Yes.
So with these guys right here, it's the same deal as last time we went through them. They just need to do a forward split. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I mean, they have so much potential and so many things going on that, I mean, yeah, their market cap right now is at 361 billion. But I mean, when you're looking at, say, like the Googles and the Apples and everybody else, are basically almost double them. I mean, if you do a forward split, at least you'll end up getting more of, like, say the average Joes that want to invest, but they don't want to spend $760 for a single share.
Completely agree.
It basically opens the door for way more investors to look into their long term, which it's there. I mean, Bezos is creating one hell of an infrastructure. So I mean, if you look at what he's creating, like his vision behind it all, I mean, it's
amazing.
Potential there.
I'll tell you what, Jeff. I mean, over there with Amazon, I mean, for everybody, I don't know a ton about Amazon. I'm not going to sit here and pretend I do. Okay, I do know that we have Prime, and I do know that we shop a lot on Amazon. I mean, you've got. I remember Best Buy. We've talked about this before, but Best Buy. I mean, I remember when they were so much higher than Amazon, and now their prices are identical to Amazon. They'll even match it if it's not, which is good for the consumer, especially for electronics. Me personally, I mean, I just bought 2 TVs for my house, and I wouldn't feel comfortable really ordering those large TVs online, because if there's a problem, right? I've got nothing wrong with buying it on Amazon, but that's where it's like, I don't know. I would never buy my towers or monitors. Maybe my monitors. But when you get to 40, 50, 65-inch TVs, it's not really, something. So Best Buy is very competitive now. But Amazon, I mean, this company started out selling freaking ebooks and books. And look at where they're now. I mean, it's awesome. I mean, this is a true success story right here. I mean, starting off from nothing, building up to where it's at now. You started off selling books, and you become one of the biggest commerce sites in the world. So, e-commerce. So
yeah. Speaking of like Best Buy, they did like really good from my understanding on Black Friday
Oh, really?
for like internet sales. I guess they were like demanded within search engines for everything, so they like
Yeah.
tore it up.
Yeah. I mean, I mean, Best Buy is a whole nother company to get into, but
Hmm.
they've made a comeback, man. They were at the brink there for a while, in my opinion, at
Yeah, I
least.
remember.
So
No,
that
they were.
is Amazon AMZN.